This is our 2000 Lotus Esprit V8 twin turbo. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk-around of the car. Following that, there will be a second walk-around where I'll show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes. Then there'll be some clips of the interior, as well as under the hood and the car running and driving. So the car was delivered new to Long Island, where it had a couple owners around there, then moved to Ohio briefly, before coming to Chicago in 2012. The car is actually the only 2000 V8 Esprit in aluminum silver over red leather, and it will come with a certificate of authenticity from Lotus stating that fact. The car has seen a tremendous amount of mechanical work, particularly in the last year. It has just over 47,000 miles from new. In 2019 had a comprehensive engine rebuild, the details of which are listed in the listing on our website, so definitely check that out. But the cylinder head was out, the crankshaft was replaced, all 8 pistons were replaced, very, very thorough. The clutch was done, so definitely take a look there at the listing. Body is totally straight, no dents or dings, no scuffs, nothing like that, really, really clean. When we got the car, there was a clear bra on the front that we removed, and due to that, we had to respray the lower front bumper. The car looks really, really clean, very much show ready. The 19-inch OZ wheels show no curb rash or significant wear. Michelin Pellet Sport Cup 2s, I believe they are. We see a receipt from 2013 when they were mounted. DOT number indicates the tires are from 2011. Still about 3/4 tread left, but we'd probably replace them sooner rather than later, but it's certainly not pressing. The glass is all clear and crack-free, as are the light lenses. Pop-up headlamps are functional. Now here are close-ups of all the blemishes. A couple little tiny chips around the front bumper from our recent adventures. And then as we come around, down look at the side skirts, just a couple little chips along the crease. Nothing really glaring or too significant. General little road wear. There is a couple chips on the driver rear quarter next to the tail light. Again, pretty small. There is probably a 2.5–3 inch hairline crack in the paint on the rear bumper, which you can see there, just about center. Then there are a few chips on the rear crease of the deck lid. The car does have the pop-up sunroof, target top. You can see there's a couple little scratches and chips there again, down the side skirt. Of the interior. We love the interior in these cars. It's very, very supercar-esque with the downward sloping dash. It's just a good place to be. But you can see the passenger seat, even the outer bolster, is pretty nice and clean. Driver's side has some wear on the outer bolster. Carpeting is in good shape on the sills and the floors. Now here's just a close look at that driver bolster. Weather stripping is all in great shape. Nothing's really dry on this car at all. The handbrake is functional. The air conditioning does not work. The Alpine radio does work. All the gauges are functional. All the interior lights, dash lights. There's just a low battery light there, and the handbrake light. Car has no active lights at the moment.